Good day, friends. Greetings from Vancouver, Canada. Wish you all the best wherever you are in the world. Today, I would like to prepare a falafel Persian style. We need some chickpea and also yellow fava bean, split fava bean. So we use 3 cups of chickpea and soak it in water, and 3 cups of yellow fava bean, split fava bean, and soak it in water. We need to keep them in water for about 24 hours and change the water every about 4 or 5 hours. And this is the as I mentioned, Persian style. It's also very famous in most countries in the Middle East. Now, we also need 1 onion and about 6 cloves of garlic that I've chopped ready to use. Now we prepare our powder to go with it. So we need 1 tablespoon of Bandari Curry Powder. This is the mixture that I have mentioned the ingredients. You can make it yourself, and I've mentioned the ingredients in my Instagram. You can go and have a look. You can make it yourself. We add 1 teaspoon of cumin to this, Cumin Seed Powder, 1 teaspoon of Coriander Seed Powder, one tablespoon of mango powder. This is optional. If you don't have it, you don't need to add it. But it makes it more delicious. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. And about 3 tablespoons of before we go to that, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder, and 3 tablespoons of parsley. That's dry parsley. You can use fresh one if you like. So I've drained the chickpea and the fava bean, and they're ready to be used. Now it's time to put the chickpea and the fava bean into the food processor. The recipes in different parts of Middle East is different. Egyptians do it one way, Lebanese do it another way, and this is just a Persian one that I'm showing you. This is ethnic food of the southwestern Iran, province of Khuzestan. Now we turn the food processor on and wait for it to change into a paste that we want. Every now and then we need to turn it off and move the parts that have stuck to the side of the processor down. As you can see, they are not processed, so we have to keep pushing them down so that they get mixed with the rest of the paste and get evenly processed. Okay, now that the paste is ready, we're gonna transfer it into a bowl. Now we put it back, and we don't need to clean it too much. We just add the onion and garlic. The reason we are doing it separately, we want to make sure that onion and garlic are chopped finely, because if we mix them with the other paste at this stage, they would not be chopped the way we want them. So we just and then again, we like the other one, we have to keep cleaning the sides and dropping them down so that they all get processed. And when we notice that the onion and garlic are processed, we just add our paste back on. If we had added the onion into the paste before we take it out, we would have ended up with lumps of onion rather than having them processed into very small pieces. Now we can add our powder. Just mix it a little bit. Now start the processor again and get everything mixed. Some people add red pepper to this, but I rather put the red pepper in the sauce so that if somebody doesn't want it too spicy, they can have, anybody can have as much spice that they want in the sauce. Now we empty the content into a bowl again. Now we're gonna make sure it's all in one piece, so push it together and make it all in one lump, and then we cover with the nylon cover. And we're gonna put it in the fridge for minimum 3 hours, so that let it stand so that the baking powder does its job. Now we put the oil in a pot, and we're gonna use a scoop. This is falafel scoop, so we push the lever down and fill the space up, and then we go very close to the oil and let it go. Don't drop it from the top, otherwise you burn yourself. So when we let go the lever and drop it in the oil. Now I add a little bit into the oil to see when the oil is ready. When that little piece starts bubbling, that means oil is hot enough to add the falafel. Now that piece is bubbling, we are going to add the falafel. So I push the lever down, add spray a little bit of oil so that it doesn't get sticky, and then add the paste to that space and push it down. Make sure there is no hollow parts in the middle of it somewhere, and then go close and then let go of the lever and drop it in the oil. I'm doing one right now just to show you what it looks like when it's done, and then I'm going to add multiple ones following that. Okay, the one is done. As you can see, a nice color. ready to be eaten. Now I'm going to do multiple. I've added a few there, add a few more. Just make sure you press it down. And let go. And actually this is the fun part. As you can see, they all turn brown and are ready, so we take them out and put them in a plate for presentation later on. Please don't forget to comment. I'd like to see what you think. Also, you can leave a comment, let me know if there are other dishes that you would like to see me preparing. Okay, now the falafels are done. If you want to make it a sandwich, we open the bread and get rid of the middle part and add the falafel into the sandwich bread. And add some lettuce. And add a couple of slices of dill pickled cucumber. Then we add some sauce. I have put the ingredients for making the sauce in the description, but if you don't like to use that kind of a sauce, you can add anything you like. Just do it as fancies your taste. This is the traditional one. Okay, the sandwich is ready, and thanks for watching, friends.